But you gotta sing.
Okay.
Sing. Aye.
Zambila Yahweh.
Hey.
Zambila Yesu.
Hey.
Hermano Kembale Krasmatic.
Hey.
Zambila Yesu.
Yes.
Ah, you know.
Hey man, say man, it's your boy Jew. I used to bring you down. Today you already know it's a vlog thing, so we're going to the. Yo, shut up, man. Alright, anyways, yo, we're going to Cottage Beach. It's called Cottage Beach. So I'm just gonna vlog, you know. I'm chilling with the whole family, the whole Acholi community. I said, shut up, baby girl. What are you doing? Alright, so you know, I just scooped the mandem. What's good, man? What are you saying?
It's getting weird though, man.
You're blessed?
Yeah, I'm blessed.
Momo, fam, what are you saying, fam?
Chilling, you already know.
You ready for this? Acholi tribe? You know you're gonna see how we turn it. Acholi community, fam. We're about to get lit, no cap.
Kababe, that's what you guys say.
What?
Kababa, I don't know how you guys say.
Idea.
No, we say Anjera.
It's getting weird, man.
Nah, but look at that banana and rice in the background.
Turn right onto West Street.
Monkey! Alright, yo, stay tuned, because we're about to get lit with everybody else. We're in the middle of nowhere right now. So this guy's reversing. I don't know why I let this guy drive.
Nigga, I'm better than you, nigga. I'm full seat.
Like, no cap, he can't drive. He cannot drive.
You good.
Is he good, brother?
He's good.
I'm blessed.
Fam, if we get a ticket today, it's on you, eh?
Nigga, I'm broke.
I need the just intruder money. Yo, English man. Are you good?
What's wrong with this guy?
Talk to the ladies, bro.
Talk to the Haitian ladies.
This guy is shy, bro.
Nigga, I'm caught.
Talk to the Haitian lady.
I'm caught.
I'm chilling, you already know. Yeah.
Melanin.
I'm letting everybody here.
What? We out here already, know. Gang shit.
You guys think I can hear? I can hear.
Speak, man. You gotta talk to the audience.
Yo, we are saying
Listen.
Yo, right now we're all part of the Acholi family.
Acholi.
Acholi. Got it. You already know.
Right? This guy's out here struggling. Are you good, bro?
Yeah, I'm blessed.
Yo, I don't know. I'm here with the refugee camp. Introduce yourself, guys.
Hi, my name is Sunny, but you might know me as Sunny O2.
Okay. What?
We are here in the water. Us refugees, we are together. We like to swim, but we can't swim. We just get our feet wet and call it a day. Thank you. Thank you for coming to my TED Talk.
Okay, TED Talk. Who are you?
What, baby? You already know. That's all I have. No profile.
Yo, Michelle, introduce yourself.
This is Rosa Kilo. This is Rosa Kilo herself. So ugly.
I'm dead. Y'all are funny.
Yeah.
I'm gonna be vlogging the whole time, so you know. We gotta.
You look like Joseph Kony with those pants on.
Oh my god, hold on.
This is my best friend. His name is Young Julius, aka Stutter Boy.
Sure. Cut.
Together we're about to put Kisha on the map, no?
Facts. Only the
But first
facts.
let me do your hair. Because it looks like roots from a tree.
Hold on, how come refugee camp? Who's this guy? Introduce yourself, bro. Ayo, introduce yourself, man. Come on. Huh? Ayo, who, man? You get girls or what?
Of course, man.
Alright, that's good. Introduce yourself, bro.
My name's Lado One. I'm about to dust on you guys today.
Hey, how much? How much?
Come to the King Julius.
Zabara de gay.
Il s'appelle Zappa Degué. Je suis d'animateur. Ça musical.
Oui, je m'appelle Julius, comment ça va? Bien?
Bien, bien.
Bien, bien, bien.
Good?
I'm good, bro.
Okay.
Introduce.
You already know. It's Bad Bitch Queen Savina.
Excusez-moi.
That what?
Hey, foul. Here. Get out.
Tina, okay. Okalang. Iti ati ba nga nila nyere? Okay, yeah.
Ready? Yeah.
Eliana. Oh my God, look at this ugly kid. Hairline.
Hey, ugly ass kid.
Look.
Your head.
Look, he uses a towel as a headband. Introduce yourself, my guy.
You already know it's young boy Stanley, you know.
Hey, yo.
Okay, we're accepting the right color.
Okay. Is that rum and coke?
Oh, that's a Henny. That's a Henny. We don't do that, bro. That's
You got rum? How you guys doing? Appealing, guy, mani.
I'm here.
Nice nails, yo. Everything blessed?
Everything's blessed.
That's good, that's good. Just so, but you look sweet right now on this camera.
It's not the camera, it's me, man.
Nyinga.
I'll link quite.
Okay. How you been, man? Long time no see, brother. Everything good? I'll come back to you. Kobe Bryant.
You ready, bro? You already know what's good.
What's good,
Out
bro?
here with the family, the youth. Let's do it for the family, bro. Let's all come together, bro. That's what we do.
So we have fun.
You already know. Have fun.
That's it. LeBron is still the GOAT, right?
No,
LeBron's
listen.
the GOAT.
Rest in peace, Kobe Bryant.
Of course.
Legend. Okay, he's always been my guy, no matter what. I'm not a LeBron James hater, but he's still nice. He's still with the Lakers, and I know he's doing. You know, he want to do everything that he can do.
Yeah.
To win the title this year, but still.
He's going to do it for Kobe.
He's doing his thing, bro. I love Giannis, bro. I want to see them in the final. If I could, it would be amazing. It would be a dream come true.
For sure.
You don't know. Anything can happen.
You never know.
LeBron
Might be
I'm
the
not gonna
Raptors.
lie. Like right now,
Yeah.
he's doing work.
Okay.
I don't know about MVP,
Nah, he's gonna be MVP.
but I don't know.
Who else?
Look what happened yesterday. Look what Giannis did yesterday.
Boy, that's Giannis.
34 points? Yo, 34?
He can do that
rebounds?
too, but he just, he
What did
decides to
LeBron score? How
pass.
many points? 17.
16, but like,
17. David scored 34 points.
it's not about the points. It's
About the what?
about, how you can lead your team to the championship.
Okay. Giannis is leading the team to the championship. Yeah. 2 minutes up there.
Nah, Lakers not. LeBron, that's it. Next. How are we?
I'm out here, man. You know what I mean?
Introduce yourself, man.
You know, that's gonna be the gift for GP number 30 on the side. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? I'm dripping there.
I see you looking fresh. You got the Nike slide. Come on, tell me about your drip.
They don't know about this shit.
Whoa. This guy is fresh. This guy got the fake Louis. Hey guys, introduce yourself.
Hi, my name is Lucy. You can follow me on all my platforms. You follow me something light, not too much. You know what I'm saying?
Okay.
You know what I'm saying?
Scene.
Anyways, Julius, what are you doing today? Questions?
I'm vlogging.
Oh, you're just vlogging?
I'm just vlogging the Acholi each day.
Alright, I better be on the vlog for at least 23 minutes max, you know what I mean? Nothing
got
less.
you.
Nothing less,
Nothing less,
you know what I
nothing
mean?
more, right?
Exactly, period, you know?
Bet. It's on period. It's on what?
Period.
Bet. Habisha, you good?
Why you getting talking like that, man? I can't look good.
You want Anjada right now?
It's so weird.
You want Anjada?
Yeah, nigga, I want to enjoy.
You want fufu?
Now one.
Right here, right here.
I need rice with banana. Yo, rice banana. I haven't had tried it.
What do you say, bro? Hey, how you been? You good?
Hi, Julius. How you doing?
Good, good. How are you? How's the baby?
Star is blessed.
Star blessed? That's good.
Never forget.
How you been, bro? You good? I got another habasha right there.
Yeah.
You're not left out, you're not.
Feeling, you know?
Yeah, no. And you're Acholi beef steak. We're struggling to get the barbecue. Go in the water. Yo, this shit. Ah, ya que le llamo. Hello, Nan. Yes, sir. It's nice. Oh, Kiki Production. When is Fufu TV coming? When is Fufu coming, bro?
You know what I mean, Nana?
Anana, don't get on here. Soon. Alright, but can you tell them about Fufu TV?
Fufu Tribe?
Fufu Tribe, sorry. Excuse my French.
Oui.
Soon, bro. Hey,
Soon what?
That's the photo right there.
This is Zapata.
Mira, güey.
Starboy. Wait,
Mira, güey.
sing to us.
I should have been a singer, man.
I have an audience, but you gotta sing.
Okay.
Sing. Alright.
Zambila Yahweh.
Hey.
Zambila Yesu.
Hey.
Hermano Kembale Krasmatic.
Hey.
Zambila Yesu.
Yes, sir.
Ay.
Hey.
What do?
Acholi got talent.
Ingero, Acholi got talent. Neymar peli para.
Hey, don't matter though.
Ya, Acholi got talent. El talent. Always.
I know.
You're not going like that.
No, don't do
George.
Evelyn.
Evelyn Johnson. I like that. Is he gonna eat it? Buturus. How do you spell your name?
D-O-T-R-S.
No, how do you spell it?
J-E-M-I-S.
No, how do you spell Buturus?
J-E-M-I-S.
J-E-M-I-S?
Yeah.
How?
Huh?
Is that how you spell it?
Nope.
This guy is lying. J-E-M-I-S?
J-E-M-I-S.
J-E-M-I-S my ass. For the whole time.
Sorry, guys. Before you get started, start a mock.
Shisha.
What's up?
Hey man, we're here in the jungle. So you know, Acholi. Yo, I'm actually sweet, man. Chill. We out here though, chilling, living.
That's it.
Chef. Oh my God. That's good.
One for Julius. Julius, man, make him more one.
I'm on my wanko.
Ready?
Yeah.
English, I'm drinking for you, fam.
Whoa.
Let me see. I'm gonna egg it too.
What the?
She needs to teach you how to do that.
Yeah, stop, man. Yeah, it's good.
Yes, sir. Yeah. In yang.
What's in though?
You guys, this thing is hot.
Ready, move.
Hey, it's not the fire. Production. We're about to do the campfire, you know, chilling. Campfire dance.
I didn't want to help.
Wow, we had to kill the fire because that's whack, bro. That's whack. It's so fun. for shaking my hand.
Acholi, I'm Acholi, keep coming. Acholi, I'm Acholi, mama. Acholi.